Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to discuss the introductory part of solid state chemistry. Solid state is nothing but one of the state of matter. Okay. In previous class we have learned that matter exists in three states, which is solid, liquid and gas. In this lesson we will be dealing with the concept of solid state in the broader aspects and understand all the underlying terms including the properties as well as types of solids. Solids generally exhibit certain characteristics that set them apart from liquids and gases. For example, they have the ability to resist any force that is applied to its surface. However, the solid state of compound largely depends on the properties of atom such as their arrangement of and force acting between them. So in solid state chemistry, we will study the structure properties and the synthesis of solid material. It is also sometimes called as material chemistry. Okay. More significantly, in solid state chemistry, we study the concept of a compound in a more deeper level. It is basically help us to understand the compound from a molecular level to the crystal structure level. Here I have mentioned some general characteristics of solid state which shows rigid and have definite shapes and definite volume and regular order of arrangement of particle, and the interparticle distance are short and the interparticle force are strong, and solids are almost incompressible and have low kinetics energy, and we can say that solids have much higher density as compared to that of liquid and solids. Now we are moving to types of solids. Based on the arrangement of constituent particles, solids are classified into two types. First one is crystalline solid and second one is amorphous solid. In crystalline solids are those that have a typical geometry. In such type of solids, there are definite arrangement of particles like atom, molecules or ions throughout the 3D networks of a crystal in a long range order. Okay, example like sodium chloride, quartz, diamond, etc. Whereas amorphous solid is a solid which have a distorted structure. It lacks the well-defined arrangement of basic unit found in a crystal. They melt over a wide range of temperature, like glass is an example of amorphous solids. We can further classify the solids based on nature of bonding, okay, into four types. First one is molecular solids, second one is covalent solid, third one is metallic solids, and last one is ionic solid. Now we are discuss them one by one. First one is molecular solid. A molecular solid is a solid that consists of atom or molecule held together by a weak intermolecular forces. Okay, example like solid neon, solid CO2 which is also known as dry ice, solid H2O, iodine, sugar, etc. is a type of molecular solids. We can further categorize molecular solids into three categories. First one is non-polar molecular solid, second one is polar molecular solid, third one is hydrogen bonded molecular solids. In non-polar molecular solids, these solids are formed from molecules or atoms that share a non-polar covalent bond. Examples H2, Cl2, I2, etc. Okay. In polar molecular solids, these solids are held together by polar covalent bond, and the atoms or molecules are bonded by relatively strong dipole-dipole interaction. We can see in the example of HCl, SO2, ammonia, etc. Third one is hydrogen bonded molecular solids. The solid contain polar covalent bond with hydrogen, fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen atom. In these solids, molecules are held together via strong hydrogen bonding, like H2O. In a covalent solid, a covalent network solid is a solid that consists of atoms held together in a large network or chain by covalent bond. Okay, it is very hard, having high melting point and poor conductor of heat and electricity. Example including carbon in its form as diamond or graphite. Now last one is metallic solid. A metallic solid is a solid that consists of positive metal ion held together by a surrounding sea of electron, which is called metallic bonding. In metallic solids have the following properties like it is very hard, having low to high melting point, and it is good conductor of heat and electricity. Example of metallic solids are iron, copper, and silver. And last one is ionic solid. In ionic solid is the solid that consists of cation and anion held together by electrostatic force of attraction of oppositely charged ion. It is brittle, high melting point, good conductors in aqueous solution or fused state, and it is shows high heat of fusion. Examples like NaCl, potassium nitrate, lithium fluoride, barium sulfate, etc.